Hello everyone, welcome to Lewanso. In the previous episode, we have already adjusted the deviation and downloaded it to the controller. Today, I would like to show you how to download the action groups we have programmed before to the controller. Before showing that, I want to say these action groups will be shared to you for free if you purchase the exam. Okay, now using the USB cable to connect the exam, open our PC software. Let's open the action file. And then let's see how this action group runs. Okay, if you want to download it to the controller, first you need to name it. We can name it the number 10 action group and click download button. After hearing a sound beep, that means you have already downloaded this action group to the controller. Let me show you another one. Okay, and we can name it number 12 action group. Click download button. And that's it. So you can download all the action groups to the controller and enjoy the action brought by our exam. So this is the end of today's program. If you still have any question, do not hesitate to let me know. Bye.